Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter of business studies, class 12, that is directing. Now, you can see the link what we have discussed in the previous chapter. We have started the chapter planning, and after planning, we learned the chapter organizing, and after organizing we discussed the chapter staffing. ये तीनों चैप्टर में देखिए एक लिंक बना हुआ है। यदि हम लोग किसी भी तरह का वर्क, मैनेजरियल वर्क परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं तो फर्स्ट हमको प्लान करना पड़ेगा। प्लानिंग करने के बाद वी हैव टू अरेंज द रिसोर्सेस, मटेरियल्स, जो हम लोगों ने ऑर्गेनाइजिंग चैप्टर में पढ़े हैं। उसके बाद we have to appoint efficient people, quality people for the right person and right job. Appointment of right person at the right job, जो हम लोगों ने स्टाफिंग चैप्टर में पढ़े हैं। अब ये सवाल उठता है कि सर प्लानिंग बन गया, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग का हमने रिसोर्सेस को ऑर्गेनाइज कर लिए, कंबाइन कर लिए, कलेक्ट कर लिए, हमारा वर्क फोर्स रेडी है काम करने के लिए, देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट? सपोज हमने प्लान कर लिया कि हमको बस से दुर्गापुर से कोलकाता जाना है, हमने बस का अरेंज कर लिए, मेरा प्लानिंग हो गया फ्रॉम दुर्गापुर टू कोलकाता, हमने बसों का अरेंजमेंट भी कर लिए, बस में कौन जाएंगे, वर्कर्स एम्प्लॉय ऑलरेडी बैठे हुए हैं। Now the question is, who will start the action? Who will initiate the action? Obviously, बस ड्राइवर, और बस ड्राइवर को इंस्ट्रक्शन देने वाले एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन। तो जब तक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन से हमको इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं मिलेगा तब तक हम काम को, एक्चुअल वर्क को इनिशिएट नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो इसी चीज़ के बारे में, इसी कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में हमारा आज का डायरेक्टिंग चैप्टर है। ये टोटल डायरेक्टिंग चैप्टर हमको सिखाता है कि एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग एंड व्हाट आर द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग, दैट इज हाउ वी इनिशिएट द एक्शन, काम को किस तरह से इनिशिएट करना है, स्टार्ट करना है, डायरेक्टिंग का क्या हमारे इम्पोर्टेंस है, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ डायरेक्टिंग क्या है, और व्हाट आर द various elements of directing. These are the gist of this chapter. Once again, meaning and characteristics of directing, importance of directing, principles of directing, and also different elements which consist the total directing of fruitful managerial activities. Now, first of all, let us go through the meaning and concept of directing. If you see the meaning of directing, obviously directing is one of the important function of management that occurs after staffing. Actually, directing involves some important activities which is provided by manager to its employee, that is giving instructions, not only giving instructions, also guide subordinates and keeping an eye on the overall activity of the employee, motivation of employee through better communication, and also directing involves how a manager can lead the total team for the success of organizational goal. यानी कि यदि हम लोग टोटल चीज़ों को डायरेक्टिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझेंगे, तो डायरेक्टिंग हमारा कई चीज़ों का वर्क का कॉम्बिनेशन है। फर्स्ट, गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस। सेकंड, guidance and counseling of subordinates, motivate the employee, and also making the leadership to lead the organization with the true spirit. That is the total meaning of directing. In a simple context, you can say directing is a process of guiding instructions or giving instructions, guiding, motivating, communicating, and leading the subordinate for the fulfillment of organizational objective. That is the definition of directing. That means we can say directing involves giving instructions, motivating employees, communicating employees, and playing the leadership role by the manager. Now we can now let's see what are the different importance of directing. As we know from the definition, we can derive various importance of directing. The first important of directing is directing initiate action. Directing initiate action. Now the question is, what is the meaning of initiate action? The main aim of directing is to activate employees to work towards the attainment of predetermined goal of the organization. Manager stimulate action by issuing instructions and supervising the subordinate. That means the first and primary importance of directing is directing initiates action. यदि डायरेक्टिंग आप नहीं करेंगे तो आप किसी को इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दे सकेंगे। एक फिल्म का डायरेक्टर हमेशा पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट में, एवरी मोमेंट हमेशा डायरेक्टिंग देने का काम करता है। कहाँ गलती हो रहा है, कहाँ सुधार करने की जरूरत है, how we can improve our performance. Each and every moment the director guide, not only guide, also motivate, communicate the total employee of the organization. Second, directing integrates employees' efforts. Obviously, we know the organization is the combination of different departments, and also different departments having some various types of different employees. Directing integrates combined total work force of the organization by providing quality supervision, guidance, counseling, and also motivating the employee, which help us to better performance. Third, means of motivation. Obviously, if the employee get proper supervision and counseling from the manager, the employee will be motivated towards his work. The employee will do the work automatically, spontaneously, not by pressure, but with pleasure. That is, pressure should be converted into pleasure by providing complete motivation towards each and each and every employee. That is, guidance and counseling. That is, it is the one of the important you can say the importance of directing. Directing also help us balance in the organization. How to make a balance in different departments, employees, and also among the owner. You know, organization wants more output with a minimum time, minimum cost, and employees need always wanted to fulfill their personal benefits. So there is a negative conflict between organization and employees. Directing help us to remove the barriers which occur between organization and employees. यानी कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और एम्प्लॉय का बीच एक जो अच्छा संबंध, गहरा संबंध है, वो हमारा डायरेक्टिंग का थ्रू ही हो पाता है. इसलिए कहा जाता है कि डायरेक्टिंग also creates a good balance among the employee and the management. The next important point is facilitate changes. Obviously, you know, change is one of the important area. Whenever we are going to make any kind of changes, first some employee will oppose. Why oppose? Because we can't communicate our changes effectively. किसी भी तरह का बदलाव होने पे एम्प्लॉई जो हमेशा अपोज करता है, क्योंकि हम लोग उस चेंजेस के बारे में अच्छा से कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते हैं और उसको अच्छा से लीड नहीं कर पाते हैं. बट एज अ मैनेजर, इफ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग द डायरेक्टिंग फंक्शन वेरी इफेक्टिवली एंड एफिशिएंटली, obviously you will get its result and it will able to change, to inculcate different type of changes which you want as a manager, as a manager for the organization. That is facilitate changes. So today, in a very short way, we are trying to discuss about the meaning and importance of directing. I hope you can understand. Thank you very much.